Hi, today I'll show you how to enter the rest mode and then continue your game where it was stopped. So, first of all go to the settings, then power save settings, set features, and turn on the keep application suspended option. So go back. Now let's enter the game. And now, to enter the rest mode, just press the PS button, power, and enter the rest mode. Let's wait. So, when your screen is black, just press some buttons. And just wait. So, select your user and you can go back to the game. See? So, press like, comment our video and subscribe to our channel.